There is much more to your list of postgraduate students, shown in the middle of the console, than meets the eye at first glance. For one thing, you will never have to keep track of student numbers again, as the PAS system displays it in the 6th column from the left-hand side of the list of postgraduate students. Furthermore, the PAS system automatically passes individual student numbers to functions available on the green ribbon of the console, freeing you from the time-consuming task of cutting and pasting student numbers on other screens. Certain rows are beige, while others are white. The beige ones are international students, while the others are students with SA citizenship. If you encounter a light green row, please note that the student has passed away. If you hover your cursor over the surname of the student, a text block will appear with the following information: the name of the country where the student is from, in the case of international students, whether the student had received a bursary or not, and whether a supervisor or thesis title has been captured. If you hover your cursor over the program of the student, a text block will appear showing a short academic history of the student from first registration with the university. If a column has a green heading, the contents, together with the rest of the information on the screen, can be sorted by a mouse click on the heading. The first click will sort the information alphabetically or numerically, and a second click reverses the order of the sorting. Unfortunately, multiple sorts cannot be done simultaneously for the same group of students within PAS, but Excel reports can be generated via the system and be sorted in whichever way you require. If a supervisor and/or thesis title has been captured, the appropriate icons, a person and/or document, will be shown in the second column from the left-hand side. The information in the following columns is of interest when viewed simultaneously for all the postgraduate students belonging to a certain group. First and last registration date. When the group is sorted on first registration date, you will be able to see quite clearly which postgraduate students have been overstaying their welcome. The graduation date column will start filling up towards the end of the year, and so will the cum laude column. Hopefully, the cease date column will not start filling up dramatically towards the end of the year, but you will nevertheless be able to see which students have in fact ceased their studies, if they followed the correct route and informed the faculty officer in the registrar's division. If certain students have not ceased their studies in the correct way and left the university without giving prior notice, no cease date will be shown in this column. To learn more about the other areas in the console, please view the next videos in the series.